Hello everybody. This video will show you how to fix this error. Can't delete a protected partition without the force protected parameter set when trying to delete a specific partition. Before showing you how to force delete this partition, you have to aware why does this error message appear. This error may appear if you are trying to remove a hidden or system protected partition using DISKPART tool, which may contain boot files, Windows files, recovery files, or another system files in Windows 11, Windows 10 or older operating systems. Deleting boot partition will prevent your computer from booting normally unless you have rebuilt the boot configuration data or BCD file manually. Also, you will fail to use Windows recovery environment to repair or to reset your system if you have deleted the recovery partition. But if delete Windows partition, you will need to reinstall Windows in order for computer to work again. Now, if you still want to delete a protected partition using DISKPART, do the followings. Show the list of available disks using list disk command. Type cell disk followed by the number of the disk containing the partition in question. Execute this command to show the list of partitions on the selected disk. List part. Type cell part followed by the number of the partition you want to delete. Now execute this command to force deleting the selected partition. Delete partition override. As you can see, the partition deleted successfully. Also, you can delete any partition using Windows Installation Wizard by clicking on Delete option. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave a comment and subscribe.